Welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see how to extract object from the image in Safari. Okay. First we will go to Safari. You can click on Safari icon. In that you go to google.co.in, search for tiger HD image. We will try with this one. Okay, so I am getting the different image option. I will select the first one. I am looking for free to use image. So we can take this one. Okay, now in order to copy the object from the image, you need to right click in the image. Okay, on right clicking you will be getting the option like copy subject. Okay, this option you will be getting only in Safari. Okay, this is a special feature given by Safari for copying the subject from the image in Safari browser. Okay, I am clicking on copy subject. I am currently using 16.6 and my macOS is Ventura. Okay, now click on command space and type preview. You can paste the copied image here. Okay, so if you click on file new from clipboard, you will be getting the image whatever you copied from this particular website. Okay, the same thing you can copy in the notes also. You go to notes by clicking on command space, type notes, click on the first option. Here you paste the same image. You will be getting this image. In preview you can save as PDF or PNG. Okay, currently I will save as a PNG format. I have saved it. The same way we will try with some other different image. Go to Yahoo images. I will try peacock. Okay, here I will filter with free to share and use. Okay, I have selected that one. I will choose this copy subject. It will work wherever you have an image. Okay, so I will take this one. So if you right click, you will be getting copy subject. Now you can go to notes. Even you can use in pages also. Okay, open pages and paste it. Here you can see the peacock. Okay, so wherever you have some option you can use it. Okay, so something like email also you can use. I will take another image from some other website. So here you see I can copy. Here also I have copy subject. We will try with this also. In the bottom of this I can paste it. I think I selected. We will try with some other different option. I think in the image we are getting only the some of the area, not the whole area. Okay, something like this is coming up. We will try with some other image. We will try in Bing. Here I will search with elephant. Here also I will use free to share and use image. Okay, I will take this image, right click, copy subject. Okay, now we will try to paste it and we will see how it comes up. Here you see I have pasted in pages. I will also try in notes. Here also it is coming up. You can try in preview also. I will go to preview and click on Command N or new from clipboard. If you do that, you will be getting this elephant image. So wherever we have some subject in the image, it can copy from the Safari browser. You cannot try that same thing in some other different browser. Okay, so this option is given by Safari. I think it is from Ventura we got this option. So I'm not sure like whether it is available in the previous versions also, but you can try this in Ventura. From Ventura it is surely available. Okay, that's all I have for this video. We will meet in another new video with new content. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.